Hi, welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to go over some terms that I saw in the press and that I thought were pretty interesting. So apparently a TV host had the visit of an actor and the actor described the TV host as ennuyeux and mentioned in quote, as you can see, des conneries. Des conneries in general is really a load of crap or some bullshit or BS, okay? It's slang, but that's a word we use all the time, so you might as well get used to it. Des conneries. If you don't want to use a slang term, you would say des bêtises, okay, which is more like nonsense. And then, as you can see, it says quand Joachim Phoenix donne du fil à retordre à Yann Barthès. Donner du fil à retordre means to give a hard time to someone. And again, I think to give a hard time to someone is something we use so commonly in English. And yet I felt like it was a little tricky to translate, but donner du fil à retordre is indeed something that we use to give a hard time to someone. That being said, it would be a little too long to get into details on this, but we would not translate to give a hard time to someone by donner du fil à retordre every single time. You use donner du fil à retordre when you talk about, your kids giving you a hard time when they were kids because they would always get into trouble, things like that, okay? Or, in that case, if it's a guest on a TV show who's just giving you a hard time because he's not answering questions or, having an attitude, etc., etc. D'accord? And then further down in the article, it said, Yann Barthès a dû avoir des sueurs froides. And that really means that Yann Barthès must have broken into a cold sweat. D'accord? Il a dû avoir des sueurs froides. Avoir des sueurs froides. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. And don't forget to go to the description to download the app so you can start learning for free. And go visit the website. The link is right there, I believe, or in the description. And you can subscribe to the entire course. That's over 90 hours of video lessons and over 30 hours of listening comprehension exercises to tell the difference between the way you read a sentence properly and the way I would butcher everything, blend every word together into new sounds. And those two are worlds apart. So subscribe monthly, you can unsubscribe anytime, or if you want, you can purchase any part of it or the whole thing, all right? If you have any questions, send me a note at alex@languagecity.com. But I'll see you soon at Language City and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt, salut!